Okay guys, I'm gonna whip up a quick Christmas cake. So I'm gonna make some spice really fast. This is a cinnamon stick. This is pimento. And in here, it's lemon and orange peel. And this, I'm gonna bring to a boil. So guys, in this pot, with the lemon peel, orange peel, and cinnamon, with also the pimento seed, raisin, cherries, prunes, and cranberries. I'm gonna have these boil until they're soft. So guys, this is the fastest way to make a mean fruit cake that is so delicious and so good. Okay guys, now that all the water is absorbed from the pot, see, there's no more water. So this is nice and stew. And I already removed the orange peel, the pimento seed, and the cinnamon stick. So now I'm gonna have this cool, move it from the heat and cool, and you guys will see my next step. This is the fastest way to stew your fruits, all right? Nice and soft. Okay guys, I just put the stew fruits in my blender. So now I'm just gonna... Okay guys, to my mixed fruits. Remember, this fruit has lemon peel in it. The lemon peel is good because it's gonna help to cut the rawness from the eggs that I'll be putting into my cake. So I just had a half a cup of bourbon, and now I just had a half a cup of red wine. And this I'm gonna just make it pulse, just to incorporate the wine and the rum with the fruits. Okay guys, with a half a pound of butter and a quarter pound of shortening, I'm creaming this together on high. Very nice and creamy. So to this I'm gonna add a cup of soft brown sugar, regular butter. See, good old school butter with shortening. It just gives the cake to me a better texture. Guys, now that my sugar and butter is nice and cream, I'm gonna add my eggs. I remove the eye from the egg, from all the eggs, because I want to cut the rawness. With so many eggs in one cake, it will be raw. So this is 4 eggs, and I'm gonna be adding, I'm gonna try and add one at a time. I changed the paddle on my mixer from the whisk to the paddle. So guys, to this mixture, I'm going to have a teaspoon almond extract, vanilla extract, rose water, cinnamon extract, 1 tablespoon of white rum, teaspoon coconut rum, teaspoon anise rum, and my Jamaican rum essence. So all this is combined together with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So guys, I'm adding 3.5 cups of fruits because this is a fruit cake, not a flour cake. So the base has to be very fruity. I'm gonna be adding my dry ingredients in parts. So I'm gonna put like a third first. And I'm gonna put this to mix. Guys, you see how it's looking dark so far? And I haven't even put any color in it as yet. Now I'm gonna add the last of the flour. That I'm gonna add some Manischewitz wine. So guys, this is without any additional coloring. You see how dark it is? Very pretty. But now I'm gonna add some molasses. Some people use browning. I'm gonna be using some molasses.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
Okay guys, you need 2 9-inch baking pan spray. So guys, this mixture is for 2 cakes. And remember, when you're using the mixture for your flour, you don't mix it too much, because if you're not using the mixture, you would have folded the flour in. So you just barely have it just to combine the flour with your fruits. And you don't want to fill your cake pan up too much also. And what is you're gonna do? Next step. I'm gonna beat it on the counter to get all the air pockets out. And you're gonna put a water bath in your oven. So you can come over to the oven and look what I'm doing. So you put your water at the bottom, exactly under where your cake will be baking. So the steam bakes the cake and not the fire, all right? And it's at 325. Preheat your oven to 350 and then put it down to 325, and you're gonna bake this for an hour. Okay guys, there is your last minute beautiful fruit cake. The best last minute fruit cake. And in this bottle, I have some wine and some rum, white rum. And I'm gonna use it to spray it. Spray it as soon as it comes out of the oven. And next I'm gonna show you how to store it for up to a month or more. I'm gonna show you how to do that. But there it is. Enjoy this lovely, lovely fruit cake. That is as lovely as you guys are. Happy holiday.